Kharge skipped the event, and BJP has slammed Rahul Gandhi, the leader of opposition, for skipping the event. Congress party has hit back at the Bharatiya Janata Party. So politics overshadowed Independence Day celebrations as well. Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge skipped the Red Fort event. The BJP has hit out at Rahul Gandhi, the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, and Mallikarjun Kharge, who is the leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha, for their absence. The Congress has hit back, saying it does not need a certificate of patriotism from the ruling party.
ये देश का ये राष्ट्रीय पर्व है। ये किसी व्यक्ति का जन्म दिवस नहीं है, ये किसी एक पार्टी का कार्यक्रम नहीं है, परंतु आज कांग्रेस ने साबित कर दिया कि वो इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस नहीं, इस्लामाबाद नेशनल कांग्रेस या इटालियन नेशनल कांग्रेस है। राहुल गांधी जो नेता प्रतिपक्ष है, उन्होंने आज स्वतंत्रता दिवस के कार्यक्रम का, जो राष्ट्रीय कार्यक्रम रेड फोर्ट पर, लाल किले पर होता है, उसका बहिष्कार कर दिया। इसका मतलब साफ है, मोदी विरोध में उतरते उतरते देश विरोध में उतरना, तो सेना का विरोध करना, ये कांग्रेस के लिए आम बात बन चुकी है। संविधान का अपमान, देश के इतने बड़े ऑपरेशन सिंदूर और का अपमान।
I don't need, or nobody needs, BJP certificate. The BJP is an anti-Indian party. The BJP should stop talking and giving certificates of patriotism to anybody. Indian National Congress fought the war of India's independence. The fact that India celebrates its 79th Independence Day and the fact that Mr. Modi has a chance to address this nation from the ramparts of the Red Fort is because we fought that battle very hard. We made sacrifices through our blood, our sweat and our lives. Name one Karyakarta of the RSS who died for India's independence. Not one.
All right, so multiple reactions coming in. We also have a post by Pradeep Bhandari of the BJP, and I quote, Pradeep Bhandari says, when nation is united at 79th Independence Day and enthused to work shoulder to shoulder with Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji to make Samriddh Bharat, Vikasit Bharat 2047, even on this day, Congress chose politics over nation. Leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi was missing at Red Fort, so was Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge. As LOP was it not his priority, constitutional duty, precedent to be present at Red Fort? So the BJP questioning absence of Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party hitting back, saying that we do not need a certificate of patriotism from the ruling party. Politics continues on Independence Day event as well. We'll also try and go across to our reporters. Niyamika is with us on the broadcast. Niyamika, BJP questioning absence of Rahul Gandhi, Congress hitting back. Congress says we don't need certificates of patriotism being issued by the BJP.
Well, yes, indeed, as we have seen that how the Congress party was not being present there in celebration of Independence Day at Red Fort. Both the LOPs, both Mallikarjun Kharge as well as Rahul Gandhi were not being present at that particular point in time when Prime Minister Narendra Modi had given an address for the celebration of Independence Day from Red Fort. But when the BJP had started attacking the Congress party for this entire matter, when the BJP started saying that it is basically the Congress party which has completely forgot that they are opposing Prime Minister Narendra Modi, they have started opposing the country, they have started opposing the armed forces. Now a response is coming in on the part of the Congress party, as Congress is now saying that they don't need any kind of certificate from the BJP regarding patriotism or nationalism. As for that reason, in fact, it is the Congress party spokesperson and the social media department chief, Ms. Supriya Shrineth, who has also made a big statement regarding this entire matter, saying that it is BJP which is basically an anti-national party. As Supriya Shrineth has also mentioned that it was the Congress party which had fought for the freedom of this country. Today, if Prime Minister Narendra Modi is able to give this speech from Red Fort on the occasion of Independence Day, then it is because of the sacrifice which the congressmen had done during the freedom struggle. But when it comes to the RSS, when it comes to the BJP, there is not even a single person who have given his life for the independence of this country. So that is the very sharp attack which is coming in on the part of the Congress party regarding this entire matter.
All right, Niyamika, thank you very much for getting us the details. We'll keep coming back to you.